Here are a couple of tips that I would like to give you about populating and editing items. When you have selected your prop and you are about to deploy that on your terrain, it's good advice that you keep your terrain at a proper distance. So this would be okay, and also if you zoom in, even better. This is because the depth buffer of your video card it's providing more precision. So if you are going to deploy your objects from this distance or even from this, that will be very precise, because as I said, the depth buffer of your video card it's very accurate from this distance. But if you get very far away with your camera and you say, okay, but I want to deploy objects from this distance, well, of course you can do that, but according to the quality of your video card, you might get some slight offsets for your props. So you see, in this case I had no troubles because it looks like my video card can handle that pretty well. But well, according to the quality of your video card, you might get, for example, I don't know, this prop might be a few centimeters on the right or on the left, depends. So as a best practice, I advise you that you always keep deploying objects within a reasonable distance. Another advice that I would like to give to you is about editing objects. Let's select, for example, a cube, and I put my cube here, the terrain, and I enter edit mode. When you are in edit mode, try not to be too much parallel to your terrain. If you do that and you move your item, well, obviously it works. But if you aim your mouse cursor over the sky, so not anymore on the terrain, but oops, you see, I go outside the terrain and I go up in the sky, you see that my cube is actually locating at the end of the world in this case, so the far plane. So a best practice in this case, when you move and edit your props, just be a little bit perpendicular to the terrain. Alright, so this would be much better. Or maybe you can even zoom a little bit and move your prop around. And again, if you aim to the sky, you see that your cube is floating in the air, and well, that's not good. We want it to be on the terrain. Okay, that was it.